What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a I'm gonna be doing like a jam session, letting y'all hear my Spinrilla music. Cause you know, people started sleeping on Spinrilla, and you know, like once you go back on there and you hear all them old songs, them jumps be hitting. They be hitting. So that's what I'm about to be doing. I'm gonna be playing the music on my Spinrilla playlist, and then I'm gonna have one special song at the very end, so I need you to stay tuned for that because I know it's going to get you hype. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, Ms.KiashaMone't. And yeah, let's just get right into this video right now. Lego. Ooh, which way I'm going? Y'all don't know which way the video gonna come out. Which way it's gonna come? This way, or it's gonna come this way? I think this way. Let's go. I don't wanna hear your music. Inside I came back. If I don't work, then I'm back on that same crap. This is my song. All attention on me. If anybody witnessing it, Louis V. Linen to the T. It's coming, I can feel it in me. Ooh, it's in me. Forgive me, Lord. Could you hear me? No sleep. My family depending on me. I had to boss up for a check. I had to step on these niggas' neck. I had to go and get a couple stripes. I had to trap all day and night. I remember them cold nights. I feel like I just got out the pen. I'm a boss, I can override you. Come in, girl, let me play with me, and I'ma come and find you. Ooh, y'all, I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot. Oh, Betty. Betty Wop. I'm trying to see what you getting into, You want, babe. Baby, I'ma change your life. Baby, I'ma change your life. Ooh, what I just saw. Ooh. Ooh, this is my song. She the motherfucking world. You's a motherfucking liar. Fucking liar. Bitch, that purse ain't jerk. The man shot. The man real good. You's a motherfucking. You done took a couple pics, now you a model. You got the nerve to be in this club acting. I'm tired of you pathetic assholes. Ratchet? Yeah, that's her. But wanna blame your baby daddy. You know he gave it to you when he had it. Now you a model. You ain't no model. Everybody used to get hyped to this song. Jump out the window. I just That Young Thug 2016 was. 225 on that dashboard, man. Hey, girl, I know you love me. What he say? We used to bump this all the time, y'all. It's hot. What he say? Rap sing me like a pinata. What was the dance, y'all? How it go? What was the dance, y'all? Tell me the dance. Somebody show me the dance. I forgot. Got a family to feed. Got a family to feed. They depending on me. They depending on me. And if you don't believe in me, when you see me, nigga, but when I see you, nigga, I'ma do you, nigga. Better walk where light, better watch everybody, better duck yo, young nigga. You around here scared, you around here scared, you around here scared, young nigga. Come on. Oh gosh. Black youngster is funny. A couple bands on my left and my right side. Sit down. You can get it. Betty. A couple bands on my left and my right side. And I've been riding through the city like I don't even know if I'm living this life right. But I gotta go and get it. Couple bands on my left and my right. We can do it all night. Like a nigga named Mike. Hit her with her 1-2 like Mike. Beat it up, then I lay it ass down. Every time I'm with you, baby. Mix the tone with the Remy. Turn up right now. Oh God, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with her. I just have to play this song because this is a throwback. This is a throwback. A real true throwback. And I promise you when you hear it, it will get you hype. Y'all gonna be like, oh yeah, it's that type of song. And this is gonna end it out. This is gonna end out this video. This jam session Spinrilla playlist video is gonna end it out. So yeah. Picture perfect, I made for Kodak. That's that dance they used to do. And hello. I'm the one in the middle. I can rock it acapella. All I needed was some Skittles. A-Town did it. He know. What he say? I am. He is. Okay. That's the end of this jam session, y'all. As you can see, I'm pretty hot. Pretty hot. It's pretty hot in here. So, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I said that pretty fast, but you know what I mean. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you do not miss an upload. And if you see a video of me with this same outfit on, it's because I recorded 2 videos in a day. Okay, so oh shucks, y'all probably like, girl, you wasn't even moving that much when you tired. Okay, and your damn skippy I am. Oh well, it's hot in here. This light, especially with this moving, and then I got this hoodie on. It makes it a little toasty, baby. So do those things. Like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and do all of those, please. And thank you. I appreciate all of the subscribers I have right now, but I'm trying to grow this channel and keep on growing. So just do all those things, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.